Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a retrospect text box in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to insert retrospect text box in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click the text box option and we can see here many text box. We find and select the retrospect text box. Here the retrospect quite, then we click it to insert and we can see we insert the text box very easily. You can add a text, click the text box and write text on the text box. Otherwise you can resize the text box and move it anywhere. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.